Hello everyone, my name is Wanzo. I'm a doctor.
Hello everyone, my name is Jian. I'm a nurse.
Hello everyone, my name is Silom. I'm a patient. Today I go to the hospital. I want to see a doctor.
Do you have an appointment?
Yes, I do.
What's your name?
I'm Yeon.
Just a moment, please.
Okay.
Call me, please.
Hello, have a seat please. What are your symptoms?
I have a headache and runny nose, and I have been feeling very tired.
Can I have a look?
Sure.
You have a fever. I'm going to prescribe you some painkiller.
I'm going to give you a shot. Stand up, please.
Ouch.
You should take a rest.
Okay, I see. I need a signal.
Take this prescription to the chemist and take 2 pills 3 times a day.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.